What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have in front of me a shipment from BougeRV, which is a company that reached out and they wanted me to test a couple of their products, and I'm really excited about what they sent me. So without further ado, let's get into the video and check out what BougeRV has to offer. Right here in this box we have a power cell, so it's going to be a charging station. Anything from blenders, refrigerators, you name it, should be able to charge it and run it. And also, of course, it's got a bunch of slots for phone cords and such. Ooh. It's not too heavy, but it's got a good amount of weight to it. Alright, so here you can see some specifications. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this out of the box. It says 0 to 90% charge in 0.5 hours. So half an hour to get 90% charge. Pretty impressive. This is the 300 model, so should be ideal for weekend trips, the kind of camping that I normally do, out in the truck, and pairing it with the refrigerator is going to be an awesome combo. So we've got our user manual, charging cables. Go ahead and pull it out. It's got a nice strong handle. It's got some solid handles up on the top here, one on each side, and then one for just carrying. It does have rubber feet, which is very nice. Got a couple of USB ports, a USB-C, a quick charge port, AC outlets, and then we have a car charger, so if you want to run a 12 volt. Alrighty. So here you can see input for how we're charging, output for what kind of wattage it is providing. Really like how easy that is to read. That's what we got here with the BougeRV Flash300. So this button actually turns on LEDs, so very cool feature on the back side there. Another thing to note, as I just plugged it in, you can see it's letting me know what percent of battery's at, that it is charging, and how long it's estimating until full. So 0.3 hours until full battery is pretty awesome. Oh yeah. Let's take a look inside. Woo! So we can go freezer and then fridge. So if we really want to, we can change this side to be just a fridge and this side also a fridge, or these could both be freezers. Super deep, like massively deep. Very clean. I'm assuming it's going to be just as easy to read as the screen on our new power bank. Lid has a very nice latch to it. So you can either go solar or the 12 volt, and right now we're going to be using the 12 volt because we've got the power bank charging. Nice little feature here. Bottle opener. I just went ahead and used the wall plug that's provided, and it's kind of crazy. I'm already feeling some cool in here. These lights are also very convenient. Cool little feature that I just noticed. This is actually a cutting board slot, so you can keep a small cutting board in here, and you just flick that up, and then boom, nice cutting board. Alright, so on the display here you can see how much power it's pulling, how charged the fridge itself is, and then with these plus and minus you can change the temperature inside the fridge. It's been about 30-40 minutes since we plugged it in. Freezer's down to almost 0. Fridge is cooled to what we want it to be. So this thing, I mean, it's pretty quick. Right now though, I'm going to unplug this from the wall, plug the power bank into the fridge, and see what it says. Oh, yep. Okay, so the output is showing 29 watts and 8 hours of charging. And it's actually going up. So I can change how much energy is being pulled from the freezer, which is at 36 degrees and 0 degrees. And effectively choose how much time I want to be able to run it for. Alrighty, so we got the BougeRV Flash300 and fridge, freezer, unboxed, tested them out. They're both working. Next thing we got to do now is we got to go take them out into the field, put some beers, some food in the fridge, bring this power bank out, bring some camera gear to charge, and give it a proper test. Let's go out in the wilderness, test these two out. Alrighty guys, we are out here on the Grand Mesa today. We've got the BougeRV power bank and car refrigerator here. Right now the refrigerator is running off the power bank. We've brought out some fresh veggies from the shop and we're going to be making a little salsa recipe along with some quesadillas. Should be a fun video. We are going to get to utilize both the power bank and the fridge a few times. We've got the blender out here. Let's make a delicious salsa and see how it goes. Cheers. That was really good. All right, well, that's a quesadilla for you. We had a great time cooking dinner. Used some of Marco from Overland X's techniques that I learned at Rig for Dirt summer camp to cook up a delicious salsa to go with our quesadillas. Ended up having a great time. Fridge has been running great. We're running about 45 degrees both sides of the fridge. Power bank's still at 96% after using a blender and the fridge all day. Really stoked about the BougeRV power bank and fridge freezer combo. I think it's really going to make our camping trips a lot more fun.
Next level.
Next level camping. So we'll catch you guys on the next episode. Thanks for checking in. Make sure you take a look at these two. Link will be below in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.